Hello, good evening. I will start recording again for this year 2025. So I just got home from vacation in far away. It's my first time riding a plane, so it's a pretty surreal experience, and I'm happy. It's black and white, so you can see your face. It's not nighttime, and I did. Yeah, my brother turned on the light, so I did um, repair my laptop so I can play League now. And my brother actually got the new one for his, so we played together earlier, and that's when the cut off happened. We don't have Wi-Fi, and